Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagana Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is monthly gabay for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is your reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, bago ang lahat, tingnan natin ano ang pinaka-pasabog sa inyo ng ating gabay for the month of September. Isa na natin. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, ito na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Cancerian. There is a long-term success and long-term investment. And there is a long-term investment and long-term success. No? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng pasabog dito. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa iyo na mag-invest lang na mag-invest. No? At kailangan mo galingan. Nalaglag yung cards. My goodness. Wait lang guys. So, tingnan natin. Oh, there's an happiness. Wow, long-term success and long-term investment with the happiness. Exciting. And there is a Six of Wands. Wow, victory. My God. Excuse me. There is a victory and success. Wow. My God, there's the Seven of Wands, protected. Now you are being protected by angels. And more pasabog, there's a Three of Pentacles. Trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, mag-focus ka lang, no? Wow, there's a lot of messages, movement. Mukhang dadagsain ng negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Mukhang mamamayagpag ka ngayon. And of course, there's a magician, there's a manifestation. What is the Ten of Cups? There's a Three of Cups. There's celebration na magdadala sa ng happiness. And of course, there's a full card. There's a leap of faith. Magtiwala ka sa process and progress. Maaaring may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, pero sinasabi sa'yo dito, magtatagumpay ka. There's a Seven of Wands. Okay, there is a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. No, kaya pala there's a protection. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, mag-budget ka. No? Time management or money management. What is the Three of Pentacles? There is the Emperor. Be mature enough, no? And be grounded. Kailangan maging mature ka dito, no? And of course, sinasabi sa iyo dito, there is a Two of Pentacles. Kailangan konting higpit daw ng sinturon, like a sense dito. Kumbaga, konting higpit ng sinturon kung gusto mo may sa kataparan ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. By the Two of Pentacles for the Eight of Wands, there is a messages at movement na magdadala sa iyo ng balance. Wow, pasabog! And of course, there's a Queen of Pentacles being practicality. No? Kailangan practical ka. Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo na at the end of the time, kailangan magkaroon ako ng investment, kailangan ako magkaroon ng negosyo, or kailangan ako mag-ipon. Ganon. What is the Ten of Cups and the Three of Cups? Excuse me. Excuse me guys, wait lang. Timla ko ng water, nakakakilala muna ko. Okay, there's a Six of Cups. Hi. magkakaroon ka ng masaya dito, no? Magiging maligaya ka dito with the Six of Cups, with your friends, with your relatives, no? Kumbaga, there's an happiness and there's a celebration. What is the Six of Wands and the Full card? So, there's a Five of Pentacles. Magtatagumpay ka daw dito, no? Kumbaga, about sa financial loss, kumbaga, pinagdaanan mo, ito yung the Full card, yung sabi ng Leap of Faith, no? So, sinasabi dito na kailangan mo magtiwala kay God, magtiwala sa mga nangyayari sa'yo. It's a part of your journey na maranasan ng bighati about sa finances. Nahihirapan ka ngayon sa pagmamanage ng financial or pagbabudget. Nahihirapan ka sa pagbabudget kasi parang may pagtumal, no? O pagbagal with the Seven of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. Pero panandalian lang daw yan. Sinasabi sa'yo dito with the Knight of Swords, magiging mabilis daw yan. With the Three of Pentacles and the Emperor, there is a shadow side. Oh, alisin mo daw yung ego. And of course, yung negative energy na nag-a-attract sa'yo. Kumbaga iniisip mo, no? Yung negative thoughts and negative mindset. Baguhin daw yan. What is the Eight of Wands and the Two of Pentacles? There's a Six of Swords. There's a transition, no? Kumbaga, there's a movement, travel, communication. Kumbaga, makakaalis ka dyan sa situation, magdadal sa'yo ng balance. Or some of you may inaantay ditong balita. Kung may mag-abroad, oh yes, there's a traveling can splendor. Kineso. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, makakaalis ka na sa situation mo. There's a happiness, long-term success, and long-term investment. There's a victory, and you are being protected. So, what is the total outcome? Ang total outcome is the Empress card, rebirth, no? Mukhang bubuhayin ulit yung katawan lupa mo with the Two of Cups, no? Kumbaga makikilala mo tong partner, magiging partner mo, or yung love, parang partner meant to be, parang gano'n. And of course, there's a Chariot card, parating na ang pagbabago, parating na ang isisilang na panibagong chapter ng buhay mo. The Empress card is revert, ibig sabihin ng panibagong pagsilang, no? Na mga bagong oportunidad with the Two of Cups, bagong relasyon, bagong love life, bagong career, and the Chariot card with the movement, no? Taking action. Kailangan kumilos, gumalaw, may mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay mo na kailangan mo ng actions. Siyempre, kung may action, may drama, no? Kumbaga sa buhay mo, para kang teleserye, no? Kumbaga, maraming kaganapan. Pero, kundi yan scripted, ha? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, talagang parang napapanood mo siya sa pelikula. There is a Grim Reaper, no? There is a growth and a transformation in your life. Na kumbaga magbabago na raw daw yung buhay mo. And of course, there's a sunglasses. Maraming nakatingin sa'yo. Maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo at talagang tinitignan ka. At tinitignan, siguro, it's either tinitignan ko magkakamali ka or tinitignan kasi parang mumahanga sa'yo. With the karmic relationship, no? Letting go and loving you. Mas maganda na yung hindi mo siya madalas nakikita o hindi mo siya madalas nakakausap. Even your friends, no? Kumbaga, mas maganda yung basta totoo, no? Yun. What is the energy? What is the energy? Angel Spirit. What is the energy, Angel Spirit? Okay. There is an angel strength. O, ibig sabihin dito, binibigyan ka ng ating anghel na para lumakas ang loob mo at tumibay ang loob mo. There's an angel of balance. Alright. May angel of strength, angel of balance pati. Kumbaga, magiging balance ka dito. And of course, there's an hostilities. Protect your power, protect your energy. Na-protectionin mo yung grounds mo. And there's a second chakra, Archangel Ariel, about sa finances. No, tutulungan ka raw ni God, even ng ating angel spirit, para sa financial mo. What is the chakra? What is the chakra? Enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan in all aspect. There's a forgiveness. Patawarin mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na hindi mo nakukuha. Kasi may mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo si God na ipagkakalob talaga sa'yo na para sa'yo. And of course, there's a confusion. Kumbaga ngayon naguguluhan ka, nalilito ka. Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? Ano nangyayari behind my back? Kumbaga ganun talaga tiyang buhay, ha? Kumbaga nararanasan mo yan. It's a part of your journey para ka talagang nasa teleserye. No? Kumbaga merong actions and may drama. Even may mga inggiterang ano diyan, charis, meron gano'n talaga, ha? Kumbaga, talagang mararanasan mo yung, para kang nanonood sa pelikula na parang ikaw yun. And of course, there's a guilt, no? Some of you parang, nagkakaroon ka rin ng guilt sa sarili mo, even sa ibang tao. Okay, what is the angel's number? There is a 12. I am a visionary. So, sinasabi dito, creativity is a driving force in your life. Your imagination is rich and you are able to express your feelings and insight is in unique ways that other can benefit from. Ibig sabihin dito, kayang-kaya mo makita yung bagay or kaya mo ma-imagine or para ma-visualize yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo into reality. Kayang-kaya mo maisakatuparan yung mga yan. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, gamitin mo yung ability mo, no, to enhance yourself, to enhance your journey, to fulfill your journey, rather, no? Kumaga, makakatulong yan sa'yo para sa ikauunlad mo. What is Archangel Michael messages? Go forward fearlessly. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga pinagdadaanan ka sa buhay. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong labanan, no? Kailangan mong labanan at magpatuloy sa buhay. Alisin mo daw ang takot at pangamba. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Bitawan mo yung mga regret and doubt mo dyan at yung takot mo, no? Laban lang. Ganun dapat. And because guarded and protected. Sinasabi dito na you are being grounded. Protektado ka, ti. At binabantayan ka ng ating anghel. What is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a friendship. Some of you, naiintindihan ka ng mga kaibigan mo. Talaga may mga kaibigan ka natutulong sa, meron may mga kaibigan ka, ibababagsak ka. And there's a fear. Alisin mo daw ito yung sinasabi, diba kanina pa, yung fear, yan yung naghahatak sa'yo ng negativity. Yung takot, pag-alinlangan. Siyempre naman talaga lahat naman ng tao merong fear, no? Pero depende yan sa nagdadala. Parang ganda lang yan no? Depende yan sa nagdadala. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an energy healing. Kumaga, some of you merong about sa health or health issues or health problems, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo magpagamot at gamutin, no? And of course, there's a counseling. Makinig ka sa mga advices sa'yo ng mga kaibigan mo, even your friends or relatives, mothers, fathers, no? Kailangan mo makinig dyan. So, what is additional messages for additional energy? Okay, there's a yellow, adaptivity, and personal power. So, ibig sabihin, you have a personal power. Hindi ko sinabing kili-kili power, ha. It's a personal power, and like empowerment, perseverance, no? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong mag-antay, kayang-kaya mong pagtiyagaan yung isang bagay. Ilaban mo. There's a schools, there's a lesson. Marami kang matututunan dyan, at marami kang malalaman dyan. Madadagdagan ng knowledge mo, even your thoughts. What is Jesus loving quotes? Okay, I will not leave you comfortless, I will come to you. Sinasabi dito ni Jesus Christ na hindi kanya iiwan sa mga panahong kalugmukan mo. Bagkos bibigyan ka ni God ng instrumento na taong tutulong sa'yo para palakasin ka at para patibayin ka. No? Ganon. Kumbaga darating siya sa'yo, hindi personal na darating siya sa'yo na makikita mo siya. It's like an instrument. Dinala siya sa'yo, kumbaga, darating siya sa'yo na gagamit siya ng instrumento. Yun yung tinatawag na soul, no? Kumbaga, yung soul missions. So, what is additional messages? There's a discovery. So, ibig sabihin dito, today, I release my old belief, conviction, and preconceived, notions in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to be beyond my previous limitation and discover greater words inside me. Ibig sabihin dito, marami ka pang madidiscover. Marami ka pang malalaman. May mga bagay na alam ka, oo. Kasi masyado ka ma-analyze na tao. Pero sinasabi sa'yo dito na kayang-kaya mo pang makadiscover o may mga madidiscover ka pa na hindi mo ina-expect na kaya mo palang gawin. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na lapit kay Ama kung ikaw ay nakakaramdam ng panghihina, ng loob. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, lumapit ka sa kanya, tumingi ka ng tawad at tumingi ka ng tulong, no? Para iangat ka niya kung saan ka man eksena na dapa, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, pray, 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 and God will surrender to the divine energy. Okay? This is a monthly gabay for the month of September 2023 for the sign of Cancer. Yan. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa direct video. Bye-bye and babush!